Hey, how's it going, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. So on today's episode of SimpMe Says, I'm going to discuss the concept of cloud computing and why it's relevant today within business. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is essentially the use of remote servers to host information that is accessed on the internet. Oftentimes, companies purchase cloud storage from other companies so they do not have to manage their own database locally. So let's break this down using an analogy. Cloud computing is buying exactly what you want and nothing more. Imagine, for example, that you're hungry for one slice of cake. One option is to purchase eggs, flour, milk, butter, sugar, baking powder, frosting, and an oven to bake the cake yourself. The other more cost-effective choice is to buy a single slice of cake from the bakery. With cloud computing, businesses purchase software applications through virtual infrastructure on the internet. Instead of having to buy, maintain, and upgrade these services directly, a business is able to buy the program they want. Instead of baking an entire cake, a person instead buys a slice from the bakery. So with this analogy, it becomes kind of clear how cloud computing can be beneficial for an organization. You have large organizations and even smaller companies that will use cloud companies and companies that offer these resources like Amazon and Microsoft, who have very robust cloud storage capabilities that they can employ within their business operations. If a smaller business wants to have access to cloud computing services, the alternative is to go and create their own database and have their own servers on site that they have to manage. In order to do that, you have to hire expertise, you have to hire people who are very knowledgeable, and you have to invest a lot of capital into these resources. So with the invention of cloud computing, this has become a much more cost-effective way for businesses to get access to these types of resources. So I hope you all found this analogy helpful, and be sure to stay tuned for more content at www.simpme.com. Thanks.